Hello, welcome to Ludic Science. In this video I will show you how to make this booster circuit with two transistors. As you can see, it's just a few components, the two transistors, three resistors and two capacitors. And of course you need also an 8 ohm speaker. Here you can see the very simple circuit. It is just an oscillator that produces a train of pulses and that generates the frequency that we can hear on the speaker. This frequency can be changed via this capacitor. If you use a larger capacitance, you will obtain a lower frequency, and vice versa. A smaller capacitance will produce higher frequency. And you can use this circuit with 3 to 9 volts DC. So let's see the circuit working. Next time you need a PCB for your electronics project, consider using the professional services of JLC PCB. JLC PCB is the world leader in PCB fabrication. You can order online. You just need to register, upload your Gerber file, and wait a few days for your PCBs at an unbeatable price. Let me turn on the power supply at 3 volts. And there it is. The frequency depends a little bit on the voltage. If I increase the voltage, the frequency goes up, and vice versa. Now let's change the frequency by changing the 0.47 capacitor. I have now installed a 3.3 capacitor, so the frequency must go down. Let's see. There you have it, a much lower frequency. And let me increase the voltage. The frequency goes up. And vice versa. Now I am using a smaller capacitance, 0.1 microfarads. So we must get a higher pitch. Let's see.